Hello everyone, my name is Karilnik Dao, and in this video I will be showcasing my second experiment for my physical computing project. This is experiment number 2 out of 6, and in this one we will be controlling an RGB LED light using a button. So let's get started. For this experiment, we'll be using the Arduino device. I'll be using the Arduino Uno. And we will also be using a small breadboard to put all of our components on. Then we'll also need the cable wires, male-to-male cable wires, and the resistors. I'll be using a 333 ohm resistor for this project. We will also be using a button to control our RGB LED light. Good focus right here. There we go. And last but not the least, of course, we'll need the RGB LED itself. So these are the components that we will be using throughout this experiment. So without further ado, let's get to it. We'll first connect the RGB LED light to the breadboard, making sure that we know which pins are for the red color, which pins for the cathode, the blue, and the green. So just put that on there. Then we will connect the Arduino to the breadboard. So we'll connect the ground pin of the Arduino to the ground part of the breadboard. Next, we'll be applying the resistors on the pins that correspond to the color. So for pins red, pin blue, and pin green, we'll connect a resistor each. So that's 3 resistors in total. Then we will connect the button to the breadboard and apply the next wire, which is the wire that connects the 5 volts pin to the volts part of the breadboard. Now we will connect the button to the ground and connect it to pin number 9, I believe. Yeah, so we will connect the button to pin number 9. Now it's time to connect the LED to its corresponding pins. So for the red pin, we'll connect it to pin number 13. And for the blue button, we'll connect it to pin number 12. And for the green, we'll connect it to pin number 11. So this is the complete circuit. As you can see right here, now our circuit is complete. It's time to test the experiment. I'll zoom in a little bit here so you can see it better. So I have the code running right here. So this is the code that I've used for this experiment. Now it's time to connect the Arduino to the computer and test out this experiment. Okay, so it's blinking red, blinking. It's doing that because of the previous experiment that we did. So we need to overwrite the code that was previously on the Arduino by uploading our new code, which is the code for the RGB LED experiment. And let's test it out right now. And it doesn't seem to be working. Let's fix that. Let's see what could be the problem. Okay, so I believe I connected the RGB LED pins to the wrong pins in the Arduino. So they're supposed to be connected to pins 8, 9, and 10. So now that it's connected to pins 8, 9, and 10, let's give it a shot. And there you go. So every time you press the button, the color of the LED changes. So it changes from red to green to blue to white. And that is it for this experiment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.